Today we have a packet of animals, some sea animals and some farm animals. Let's open and unbox the animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. This is Angry Bird. Angry Bird. This is Angry Bird. The next one is a fish. Fish is a sea animal. This is a sea animal. A fish. The next one is a cow. This is a cow. Cow is a farm animal. A cow. The next one is a Mr. Orange. This is a orange. The next one is a flower. This is a flower. The next one is a starfish. This is a starfish. Starfish is a sea animal. This is a starfish. The next one is a butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. This is a butterfly. The next one is a cat. This is a cat. Cat is a farm animal. This is a cat. The next one is a bug. This is a bug. A ladybug. The next one is a horse. This is a horse.